These are the biggest LEGO sets in the world. At number 5 is the LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcon, released in 2017 with 7,541 pieces for $849. At number 4 is the LEGO Icons Colosseum, released in 2020 with 9,036 pieces for $549. Number 3 is another LEGO Icon set, the Titanic, released in 2021 with 9,090 pieces for $679. Number 2 is the tallest set ever, the LEGO Eiffel Tower from 2022 with 10,001 pieces for $629. Finally, at number 1 is the LEGO Art World Map. It came in 2021 with 11,695 pieces for $249.